Welcome back to Richard Woodworking. It's a special episode this time. We're looking at where it all started. This is my dad's workbench. This is where I started woodworking almost 50 years ago. Just doing little projects. This is one of those benches that you can kind of put together. Several 2x4s on top, about 4 or 5 2x4s, and then connected with, looks like 2x6s, 2x8s on either side, a piece of plywood at the bottom, and on the back we have a 2x6 or so fastened with some ties on the back to vertical, and then on the side he has a vise. And so I had originally thought about taking it apart and moving it back to my workshop, but I just don't see that happening. It's actually, even disassembled, it's just going to be too big for my car. So maybe I could build one like this, or build one a little better suited to my needs. It's very sturdy bench, and like I said, this is where my first woodworking projects were done when I was a kid, when I was probably 7, 8, 9, 10 years old. I made some very basic projects, just using some pine wood and basic saw. Some of those tools I used back here on the wall, just basic tools that you have in a wood shop or workshop at home when you're doing different DIY things or small woodworking projects. So this is the workbench I started on many years ago.